This is a quick update on the four-wheel steer conversion for the Axial AX10 Deadbolt. What it involved is duplicating the front steering, which is this here, this front steering where it pivots like that, onto the rear of the car so that the rear wheels can turn independently. Before they couldn't, but now they can. So all of that's been duplicated back here. And one thing to know is that this steering shaft, or whatever you call it, this one here, it has a built-in spacer here. When you take it to the rear, it ends up facing downward so that you can't, you'll actually see it here. See, it's downward here. I'm going to have to cut that off eventually, as it might hang up on a rock. But I had to drill through it and then force this screw to thread into the hole down in here. I had to put this spacer to make up for this one missing, and that's what made it work. But it wasn't something that I could foresee when I started the project, and that gave me some problems. But there you can see the spaces in there, and here's what it looks like when you make the rears turn. It's with these two buttons. So if I press up, watch what happens if I press the top button. Now this is the rear. If you press down, the down button centers. If I press the down button again, it turns that way. And then you have, it stays in that position, and then when you turn to either to the right or the left, that will create a very tight turning radius. But if you turn to the right, it will cause the car to crawl to the right. It's very interesting, the effects that occur when you have four-wheel steer. Now, if I hit the up button again, it goes center, so it can go like regular. It's just the front turns. Then if I hit up again on this, now it can, I don't know if you call it crawl to the left. Very, very interesting. Or make a very tight right hand turn, or excuse me, real tight radius. Something I couldn't do without that rear turning like that. So that's pretty amazing. It's going to help a lot in climbing out in the field. And to do that, basically, again, you have to duplicate. You just have to duplicate this outer part, and also the little axle rods that go through. They have to be replaced too, and then you it's basically from here out that has to be changed, from this part out, so that you get the turning. Then you also have to put the servo on, and the servo holder, the plate, which is, I don't know if you can see, you probably can't see the plate on there, but this servo is mounted on a plate. And it's very important to get a servo that uses the same voltage as the front, because if it uses too much voltage, the car will shut down. And then let's see. And then that servo wire connects to the third right here. Let me see if I can show you. Right here in the receiver, there are, maybe I can do it from over here. right here, you have 3 positions, actually 4, B, 1, 2, and 3. You connect it to position 3. And then this controller allows you to program position 3, the servo connected to position 3 only. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. So I'll be testing it out in the field maybe sometime tomorrow, the next day, and I'll try to take some pictures of what it looks like when it turns with the body on. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Hopefully mission accomplished. That's what it looks like. And this project took me I'd say a good 10 hours. Take care. Bye-bye.